For this experiment, we need a big glass bowl, a small glass bowl, a cup of hot water, few ice cubes and a cling wrap. Now let's begin. Take a big bowl and pour a cup of hot water. Now I am adding some blue color to this water. This water represents the ocean. Here we can see that the water vapor is coming up. This means that the water is getting evaporated due to the sun's heat. This process is called evaporation. Now I am going to place this small bowl in this bowl, which represents the land. Now cover the bowl with the cling wrap. Now I am going to place few ice cubes on the top of the cling wrap. This is going to be the cool atmosphere over the clouds. Now let's wait for 10 minutes and see what happens. After 10 minutes, we can see that the water droplets has cooled down and turned into liquid. This forms clouds. This process is called condensation. If closely observed, you can see the precipitation. Here we can see that the clouds become very saturated, that the water vapor will condense back into liquid and fall to earth as rain, which is called precipitation. Now I will remove the cover and show you the precipitated water. This is the precipitated water. You all have seen that water cycle starts with evaporation, where water bodies get evaporated by the sun's heat and turns into water vapor. Then condensation takes place, where water vapor cools down to form water droplets and form clouds. And then finally precipitation takes place, where all clouds come together and they become heavy and precipitate back to earth in the form of rain or snow. Thus, water cycle is a continuous movement of water within the earth and the atmosphere. Hope you all enjoyed watching this experiment. Stay safe, stay healthy.